Well, hello. Today in Master of the Sword, I'm going to teach you how to make peace with nature. So the first thing you want to know, eat the berries from nature. How about this little thing? Pretty pleasant. Next, you want to levitate in the rain. Oh, my sword's getting wet. You can never forget to treat it with respect. If nature ever double crosses you, that's all you have to do. A good swordsman always trains with nature. Nature just double-crossed me. And now a good nature lover rests in nature.
Did they get the fixed too? Yeah, they had to get this.
Yeah, salt. Whoa! So now that you know a lot about nature, you can buzz like a bee and be a swordsman. Goodbye.